It's your girl Abigail from Zappos.com, and this is Freshest from CL By Laundry. These stylish slip-ons would look so cute with some jeans that have fringe on the end, a V-neck t-shirt, and a big hat. They're crafted with a synthetic upper and they're available in a variety of colorways. I am loving this colorway here. It's got this snake skin print throughout with some metallic shine that will have you standing out in style. Inside is smooth synthetic lining with a padded footbed for some comfort. They feature a stack style heel at the back that will give you a boost in height as well as providing underfoot support. It's all on top of a synthetic outsole that's textured for traction. Look fresh in freshest. They're from CL By Laundry.